May 15, 2017, PBA players from different teams visit the New Bilibid prison. The New Bilibid prison in Muntinlupa, Philippines is the main insular penitentiary designed to house the prison population of the Philippines. It was built in the late 1930s and officially opened in 1940.
Divide you guys into 3 teams so that you can conduct simultaneously 3 activities.
Constructed over 551 hectares of land at an area considered at the time to be remote.
Blessed kami na makapunta rito para at least makapag-share sa mga inmates, ma-enlighten sila, mabigyan sila ng positive attitude. Pwede kami maging instruments dito to show God's love.
I believe it's just a blessing to be here, to be able to encourage the people who really need it, and to be able to share, just to let them know that, God is still there for them, and to encourage them just to pray.
Alam naman natin yung buhay nila dito mahirap, so siguro ito yung best way na maging kahit paano sa ngayong araw na to maging masaya sila, makita yung mga ibang PBA players.
Masaya kami dahil nakapunta kami dito and first time ko and napakasaya dahil makapagbigay kami ng pag-asa kahit konti sa kanilang lahat.
It's also a part of all the owners talaga ng teams, na nagsasabi talaga, nagpapasalamat at a way of giving them hope. Talaga ang ating sharing all the blessings and sharing that we should invest in the Filipinos. And there is always pag-asa. Sa lahat ng ating ginagawa, we should always cling to that. There is always a good future that the PBA, not only the PBA, but a lot of us people, we should count on.
Players then played with inmates as hundreds watched in awe with smiles and happiness on their faces.
Isang magandang experience na nakita namin kung ano yung nasa loob ng Bilibid, and enjoy rin kami sa paglaro ng basketball sa loob, and hopefully yun, napasaya rin namin sila.
Thank you to the PBA for letting us come here and visit the inmates, giving them a sign of hope and to just never give up and continue to stay positive. Thanks for bringing us here.
I know that people here are going through a tough time, and for us to come out and give them some kind of hope was a great opportunity. So thank you very much, and wish them all the best.
Minsan lang makapunta dito, so thankful kami na nakapunta kami, nakabisita kami, at saka na-experience namin yung buhay nila.
Thankful ako sa PBA management na they have a project like with the inmates here in sa Bureau of Correction. So yun, papasalamat ako sa PBA na binigyan kami ng chance na makapag-spend ng time with them.
It's been great. It's a great experience for all of us.
Players are treated with exceptional hospitality as they are fed with food prepared by the inmates themselves.
Ang personal ko man sa unang-unang maraming salamat talaga. Sa totoo lang, malamang para sa mga bilanggo, maalala nila ito habang buhay. Lahat nakikinabang sa ganitong klaseng karanasan. Malaki yung tuwa ko sa totoo lang. Unang-una kasi nga, para sa mga bisita po natin, lalo mga PBA player, halos sigurado ko, para sa kanila parang eye-opener, na hindi pala yan tulad ng akala ko. Para sa amin, sapat na yun para makatulong man lamang sa mga kapatid natin dito sa Layang Lipunan na hindi yan tulad ng akala ninyo, ang sitwasyon namin. Pangalawa, at kasing halaga, kundi mas mahalaga, yung parang sa mga bilanggo mismo. Na, yun nga, ang mensahe ay hindi tayo nagkakaiba. Malalim ang tuwa ko kasi alam ko na malalim din ang tuwa ng mga bilanggo, pati mga empleyado po namin sa paglaan ninyo ng panahon. Napakalayo ng Bilibid sa totoo lang. Kaya maraming salamat.
Truly a day of memories, of happiness and inspiration for the inmates.
We are PBA.